I got hurt back at the end of February at work. I could tell I had pulled something in my back, but I continued working the whole day. Woke up the next morning, hurt real bad, called in, went to a doctor in the box to get a quick fix. Was planning on going back to work. Couldn't go back, so I called them and, and reported it. And they said they would turn it into the workman's comp insurance company. I asked them, do I need to go to one of their doctors or my doctor? What do I do? They told me to just go to my doctor. Well, I never did hear from the workman's comp insurance people, and then when I finally did, they told me that because I had gone to the doctor in the box and didn't report it, then I was denied my claim. I did get in touch with a lawyer about 6 weeks ago and told them everything, and they told me I had a case, but I haven't heard anything from them in 6 weeks, so I didn't really know if I had a claim or not.
All right. Thank you for your call.
Typical, Jonathan.
Yeah,
you've heard this 100 times.
A ton of times. You've got a notice requirement, but she sounds like, based on what I understand, she met the notice requirement. She got 5 days.
Okay, and when you say notice requirement, explain what that means to our audience.
That means reporting an accident and injury to your employer.
What about if I just pull my back? If I feel something in my back pull, how much time do I have to report that?
You need to go ahead and report it.
Immediately?
Immediately, but
okay.
You got 5 days that you have to report.
Okay, sorry, go ahead.
And, well, I mean, she's sounds like she's still continuing to have problems, and she's met her notice requirements. It's been since February since she was injured, so she's within the 2-year statute of limitations. So she needs to follow up with a lawyer and try to get the case moving.
What about not going to the company doctor to begin with? And I know you've seen that before.
Right. I mean, that's sounds like that's where her employer told her to go to see her family doctor. The work comp carrier may or may not ever pay for that because it's not an authorized provider. But she needs to go see a lawyer, and she needs to get an authorized treating physician.
And after she starts going to the authorized treating physician, can she go have the company pay for that authorized treating physician and then her own personal doctor, or will comp just pay for the authorized treating physician?
The comp carrier is only going to pay for the authorized treating physician. She can continue to see her family doctor, but she's going to be responsible for those bills.
Okay.
Well, Carol